Your competitors are running ads right now across Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Messenger, and Threads. You can see every single one of them in the Meta ad library. The problem is that the ad library is designed for browsing, not analysis. Even though you can filter across platforms or brands efficiently, you can't export anything at scale, and you definitely can't track how a competitor's creative strategy evolves over time with ad library alone. Meta's official API exists, but it requires app approval, token management, and comes with strict rate limits that make large-scale research impractical. With Apify, there's a better way. I'm going to show you how to use Facebook Ads Library Scraper to turn the Meta ad library into a structured, exportable ad intelligence dataset. Don't be confused by the Facebook name, it's just a legacy term from when the Meta ad library was called Facebook Ads Library. With this tool, you'll be able to monitor competitors across all 6 Meta platforms, not just Facebook, track creative changes, and build a real picture of what's working in your market. Head to Apify Store and search for Facebook Ads Library Scraper. Click Try for free to sign in to your Apify account, or sign up for free if you don't have one. That takes you to Apify Console. From here, there are 2 ways to feed the actor. One, simple and straightforward. You can paste in one or more Facebook page URLs directly. This is useful when you already know which competitors you want to monitor and that they have a Facebook page to start from. Another way is more elaborate, but also more precise. You can go to the Meta ad library first, apply your filters there, country, ad category, keyword, platform, etc., and then paste the filtered ad library URL into the actor. That second approach lets you set up very specific queries, like all active video ads from beauty brands in Germany running on Instagram. For each ad, you get the full creative: images, videos, carousels, plus the ad copy, CTA, destination link, start date, important metrics such as spend and impressions when available, and ad ID. If you enable page info extraction, you also get the advertiser's page details, admin locations, page likes, and transparency signals on top of the ad data. If you just want to know how many ads the competitor is currently running, hit the I want only the total count of ads per page toggle instead. Save your configuration as a task before running. You'll want to come back to this. When you hit start, the actor begins extracting. Depending on the volume of ads, this can take anywhere from a few seconds to several minutes for large datasets. Once it finishes, head to the Export tab. You can download your data as JSON, CSV, Excel, or XML. For most competitive analysis work, CSV or Excel is the easiest to work with since you can sort and filter immediately. If you want this running on autopilot, set up a schedule. Running weekly gives you a rolling view of how competitors are changing their ads. You'll spot new campaigns, creative refreshes, and messaging pivots as they happen. For teams that want the data flowing into their stack, the Integrations tab connects you to Google Sheets, Google Drive, Slack, Make, Zapier, and more. You can set up a workflow where every time the scraper finishes, a fresh dataset lands in your team's shared Google Sheet. No manual steps required. Once you have the data, here are a few ways you can use it. The simplest one: track and refresh frequency. By running the scraper weekly and comparing datasets, you can see how often competitors swap out creatives, or simply how many ads they choose to run. Brands that refresh frequently are likely testing aggressively, which means they haven't found a winner yet. They also heavily adapt their ads to the platform. What works for Facebook will not always pan out for Instagram. In any case, brands with long-running ads probably have something that's working, worth studying. Another big one: creative format analysis. Sort ads by media type and look at the ratio of video to image to carousel across your competitors. If 3 out of 4 competitors have shifted heavily toward video in the last month, that's a signal worth paying attention to. From there, compare regional messaging. Filter your datasets by country and look at how the same brand adjusts its copy, CTAs, and offers for different markets. You might find that a competitor leads with price in Brazil, but with ingredients in Germany. Those are positioning insights that directly inform your own localization strategy. One more powerful use case: you're one step away from price scraping. Facebook Ad Library Scraper gives you the CTA links. Follow them, and you're on the product page with all the details and pricing. Combine that with Apify's e-commerce scraping tool, and suddenly you're not just tracking ads, you're building a full e-commerce intelligence engine. And finally, use the page transparency data for compliance or competitive intelligence. Admin location distribution tells you where a brand's operations are concentrated. If a competitor claims to be a local brand but their page admins are spread across 3 continents, that's useful context for positioning. So there you have it. Facebook Ads Library Scraper turns the meta ad library from a browsing experience into a scalable ad intelligence pipeline. Instead of clicking through ads one by one, you're working with structured data across all 6 meta platforms. Ready to give it a go? Apify's free plan gives you $5 in platform usage to try it out. The starter plan charges $5 per 1,000 ads. If this was useful, give us a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. So long, and thanks for all the likes.